Hello everyone, I'm making this video because maybe some of you guys wanna know what happens behind the scenes when I fix bugs and whatnot. So for example, I got notified that when the energy is of the character is very low, there are a few things wrong with the character. For example, he cannot uh, get out of Kaioken mode, and when he press Kamehameha, he gets stuck in place like this. So I will show you how I fixed it during this session and more things too. The first thing that I'm trying is to try every tick rate, check if the current amount of energy of the player is below 0 or not. And if it is, I let the player move and destroy the Kamehameha. You will see that this doesn't work at all. So I scrap it, and I think that it's in the begin play of the Kamehameha. Like whenever it spawns, it's stopping the player somehow. Then I notice when I spawn the spell of the Kamehameha, I check if the current amount of energy is higher than 10 or not. And if it's not, then it doesn't spawn it. But I set the variable can move to false instead of true. So I just switch it to true, and now it's good to go. As you can see, I deplete my energy, and when I cast it, it doesn't lock me in whatsoever. So now that it's fixed, it's some dumb mistake sometimes, but that's what happens. So that's why testing is very important. And when you bug report, I can test it myself and fix it right on the way. The second mistake was when you actually deplete your energy in Kaioken mode, you couldn't get out of Kaioken. So for this, I added another check right before spawning my Kaioken, which is if it's activated and I press the spell, then it deactivated. So like it doesn't require any energy to deactivate. So that fixed it, I guess. I fixed more bugs on Kaioken. For example, you could go into the flying, like the travel map in Kaioken when you were like changing cities. So this is fixed. Now you can't. It automatically remove Kaioken. And I fixed a few other things, but I will put a recap in the Discord somewhere. So everything is written. Another small bug that I got notified of is when you open a door, sometimes you have to make another action in order to move again. So like the character is stuck when you open a door. So I checked the blueprint, and actually like it put the player back to game, but it doesn't enable his movement yet. So what I did is I enable his movement whenever he opened the door. I did this for the level door, like the door where you need a certain level to open it, and the quest door, where you just need to have a quest completed. So what I'm actually gonna do right now is develop the inventory system, because as you know, in the Legacy of Goku games, there is an inventory where you can pick up objects and use them as you like. So for now, the capsules that are actually in the game, they actually get used instantly on Goku. But we don't want that. We want the player to keep the capsule and use it on whatever character they want. So in the main menu, I'm gonna make a new button, simply name inventory. Then I'm gonna make a new widget where it will show the inventory items. And the button will be used to open this widget, and that's it. And then in the inventory widget, there will be a button to go back to the option menu, simply, like the quest one. I'm taking a lot of inspiration from the quest menu because it will be the same concept. There will be a database with all the items in it, and this database need to be saved for the player, because when you log back, you want to have your items still. Like the quest doesn't change; they get saved, and you need the menu to see what you get in the inventory. So you can see me create other assets, renaming everything from the quest menu to the inventory one, and adjusting the variables that changes. Like the text one will change, and I will test it at the end. You can see me set a test item in the player, and then when I open the inventory, it now works. So all I have to do now is to save this asset, like object, whenever I'm saving the game, and the player will keep his inventory fresh and loaded. Thank you for watching. I'm actually fixing a lot of bugs right now, so don't hesitate to post on Discord. Any small bugs, even small ones, I'm fixing them. So I want to get the inventory ready to go for the Saiyan arc with the cinematics and dialogues for the Saiyan arc, and that will be cool, I think. Thank you for following the project. Don't hesitate to like and subscribe, and thank you.